Honorable Chairman, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Members of the State Legislature. It is a great privilege and honor for me to address this joint session of both houses of Andhra Pradesh State Legislature on the occasion of the budget session 2022-23. Our nation and state have gone through a difficult phase in the last 2 years due to COVID-19 pandemic. Being alert to the fact that the pandemic is not over, we all need to be cognizant of a possible recurrence of this menace. Bifurcation of the United States, 5 years of police paralysis during 2014 to 19, a year of economic downturn during 2019-20, and 2 subsequent years of COVID-19 pandemic have severely impacted the state finance. My government's steadfast commitment of extending support to welfare of farmers, women, underprivileged, marginalized and vulnerable groups has ensured that even during these excruciating difficult times, rural consumption and spending and the economy as a whole does not take a nosedive. I am proud to say that owing to the impactful interventions of my government, the state has demonstrated real GSTP growth of 0 to